as warm as the morning, first day of spring. There's a little bit of you in everything. Changing the season, butterflies' wings. There's a little bit of you in everything. There's a little bit of you in every moment, stuck in my head. Hard not to notice a little bit of you in everything. The chalk on the sidewalk, the smell of the rain. There's a little bit of you in everything. View from the hilltop, sun on my face. There's a little bit of you in everything. There's a little bit of you in every moment, stuck in my head. Hard not to notice a little bit of you in everything.
Yung J. Kyler kasi, kaya kami nag-camp up doon. Gusto ko kasi yung J, na Jason kasi yung name ko, so yung J, gusto kong ikabit din sa kanya. Then yung Kyler, yung wife ko kasi Krisa yung name, so yung JK, so kinuha namin yung K dun sa Krisa.
Hello, Kai. Hindi ka pa pinapanganak, hinihintay ka na namin. Kasi alam ko, ikaw ang magpapasaya sa lola mo, kay Lola Willen mo. At lalong-lalo na sa mami mo na kamukhang kamukha mo. Iingatan ka ng mami mo katulad ng pag-iingat namin sa kanya. Mahal ka namin, hindi ka pa lumalabas, hinihintay ka na namin. Wala pang actually si daddy mo sa buhay ni mami mo. Pinapangarap ka na namin. At lahat ng pangarap mo, tutulungan ka namin para matupad yon. Hindi lang para kay mami, kundi para mismo sa'yo. I love you, Kai.
Hi, apo ko, kay Kaibo namin. Good boy always palagi. Maging mabuting bata, paglaki, maging mabait, marespeto at magalang. Love na love ka ni Lola Mami. I love you.
Na lumaki siyang mabuting tao, yan, may takot sa Diyos, healthy, successful, and sana ma-continue niya maging adorable hanggang paglaki. Napapasaya niya yung mga tao sa paligid niya.
Ang wish ko kay Kai, yun, sana lumaki siya ng mabuting tao, healthy palagi, and yun, maging successful siya sa buhay. Yun, maging matalino, maging marunong makisama.
Hello, Kai! Sana mabuti kang bata at mag-aral ka mabuti. I always love you. I'll read you stories like that and I'll give you toys that I don't like. You'll be happy too. Tita loves you!
Hi, Kai! Welcome to the Christian world. I pray that God will always guide you and protect you. Sana lumaki ka ng mabait, malusog, at higit sa lahat may takot sa Diyos.
Welcome to the Christian world, baby. Love you.